Alright, the 150 gallon reef build plumbing test is done. Just testing out the Jable Waymaker, tuning it in. Still making, I filled up some more water to try it out. Still pushing quite a bit. But the system runs nice and quiet. It's fully running. Skimmer's running. Gotta tune it. Yeah, I'll tune it, but it's got it running for now. What's the temperature? 79.9. All right. Put that plate in because it helps disperse the water all the way across more evenly. Because the way I do have it flowing a little bit too fast returning, it was overflowing right here just a tad little bit. So I put the plate there, and for some reason it helped it out, disperse the water across instead of being like a little rapid right there. But very pleased with the Emerald 39 from Trigger Sumps. Very happy with it. System runs really good. It's very quiet. Very pleased with the Jable DCS 9000 pump. Extremely quiet. Very pleased with it. I thought it would be a lot louder, but it's pretty much silent. The noisiest thing on my system is the Jable RW15. That's the noisiest thing. The skimmer, the JNS CO3, is silent. When you close it, you can't even hear the sump system when the cabinet's completely shut. But I got it just returning like that right now. Just pumping over and returning like I showed you guys before. I filled up some more water in the tank. It's not completely full yet, but I'm gonna drain it this weekend, and next weekend I should be starting to fill it up with some salt water. I'm gonna let it sit in there and age. There's a little plastic piece right there. It's staying over there. It was. Put it on there to see if it'd make the Jable. I tried both sides. It didn't make it any quieter. You still hear that little like kind of hum, kind of like a vibration from a cell phone ringing when you have it on silent. That's basically all you hear. Like, it's not that bad when you're watching TV or movies or playing video games or whatever. You can't even hear it anyways. But I got to try to tune it in because I don't want a wave, but not a crazy wave. I'm probably gonna get. I'm gonna leave the RW15s. I'm gonna get one more. I'm probably gonna place them on the back for flow back there, and just put them on constant mode, so it's pushing a current. And then I'll do probably two. I want to do MP40s, but they're a little bit pricey. The quiet drives them. That's eventually what I want to do. So the plans in the future would be MP40 and MP40 quiet drive wireless, and then MP10 and MP10. But until I can get that setup done, I'm gonna probably do this on RW15. Put another RW15 on this side, or I might not even waste my money. I might just put an MP40 on that side until I can start saving up, and then I'll get an MP10 and then MP10 and then replace the RW. I got the RW just to have some flow for the cycle. For the price I paid for the pump, can't complain. For $115, $120 compared to a Ecotech Marine MP40, which is $465, I pretty much can get all 4 pumps for one price of the MP40s, of the J-Bows. So it's a lot to think about there. The only problem is would like to get rid of that little hum, and I just like how the motors are, the drives are on the outside, and eliminates some of the space inside the tank. That's what I'm basically was only going for with the MP40s and MP10s, just to shrink the pump head, the power head size inside the tank. But that's all I got right now. Very happy though. But the plumbing's done, everything's done, everything's running good. I was gonna fill it up completely, the tank, but I gotta drain it anyway, so what's the point? I've already tested for the leaks in the tank. Tank's good. So all I have to do is drain this water and fill it up with some salt water, and I'm gonna let it age. I'm just gonna bring it up to the proper temperature and just let it cycle through the system. But that's it. That's it for now. JC Reefs out, guys, and happy reefing.